Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve the second question of exercise number 1.1 of chapter number 1, real numbers of class 10. So second question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. In this question we are solving the second one today, that is 510 and 92. So for that, first we are doing prime factorization of both the numbers 510 and 92 to find its HCF and LCM. So to do prime factorization, let us divide it by the prime number 2. So after dividing 510 by prime number 2, we get 2 2s are 4. So 1 remains, that becomes 11, 5 2s are 10, then again 5 2s are 10. So we got 255. Next, let us divide 255 by another prime number. So here we are using only prime numbers because we are doing prime factorization here. So 255 can be divided by 3. It cannot be divided by 2. So we are dividing it by 3. After dividing 255 by 3, we get 85. And now 85 can be divided by the prime number 5. So after dividing 85 by 5, we get 17, and 17 can be divided only by itself. So 17 will be divided by itself. After dividing completely, after doing complete division, we get the prime factors of 510, that are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now similarly, let us do the prime factorization of 92. That is the second number of our question. Now 92 can be divided by the prime number 2. Always start dividing with the smallest prime number. So here smallest prime number is 2. By dividing 92 by 2, we got 46. 46 can also be divided by 2 and we get 23 after dividing it. 23 can only be divided by itself. So we will divide 23 by 23 only. After doing the complete division, we got the prime factors of 92, that are 2 into 2 into 23. Now HCF means highest common factor. Among the factors that we have got, the highest and the common factor is 2. 2 is common in both the numbers, both the factors, and it is the highest common. So HCF is 2. To get the LCM, we have to multiply all the factors of both the numbers, that is 510 and 92. But the common factor will be taken for multiplication only once. So we took it once. Next, the remaining numbers will be written for multiplication, that are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. So by multiplying all these, that are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23, we will get the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, and 4 15s will be 60. So by multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, we got 60. Now we have to multiply 60 into 17. Okay, then we will multiply 23 with the answer that we get. So 0 we will write down as it is. Next we will multiply only 6 with 17. 6 7s are, starting from the unit place, 6 7s are 42. So 2 will be written, 4 will be carried to the next number. Next 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 1020. Now by multiplying the first 5 numbers, we have got 1020. Now let us multiply 1020 with the last number, last digit, that is 23. By multiplying 1020 with 23, we will get the LCM. So first let us multiply 3 with all the above numbers. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0 again, then 3 1s are 3. Next In next line, let us multiply 2 with all the above numbers. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0 again, and 1 twos are 2. So by adding these two, we will get the answer 0, 6, then 4, 3 plus 0, 3, then 2. So the LCM of 510 and 92 is 23,460. So this is how we can find LCM and HCF of any given numbers. Now we have to verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. The two numbers are the numbers given in the question, that is 510 and 92. So LCM is 23,460. We have to multiply it with 2, that is HCF is equal to 510 into 92. So both the answers should be same. If we get the answers same after multiplication in both the right hand side and left hand side, then our answer will be verified. First let us multiply LCM into HCF, that are 23,460 into 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. So 2 will be written, 1 will be carried. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 twos are 6, and 2 twos are 4. So answer is 46,920. So we got 46,920 by multiplying LCM into HCF. In right hand side also we should get the same answer. Let us multiply LCM in the two numbers given in the question, that are 510 into 92. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10. Next step, 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, and 9 fives are 45. By adding these two, we will get the answer. So 0, then 2, 9, 6 and 4. So as you can see, we have got same number in both the sides. That means our answer is correct. Hence we verified that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. So this is how we can solve these questions. The first question is already solved and it is there in my channel. You can go and watch it from there. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.